Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials and welcome to episode 8 of Daily Tech News, in which I share with you news which is exciting and I think you should check it out as well. We have a lot of interesting stuff today, so let's begin. So the first news is from Xiaomi. The newly launched Redmi Note 5 Pro has just received an update, and although they mentioned upon launch that the face unlock feature will be available in March, Xiaomi have done it earlier and they have outdone themselves yet again. The update is known as update 9.2.4, and if you go ahead and install this update, it adds face unlock feature. In our testing, the face unlock feature worked just fine, although it is comparatively much slower compared to the Oneplus 5T and the Honor View 10. Now this is a mid-range device and we should not expect anything stellar when it comes to comparison with the flagship devices or flagship phones at all, but then again, nonetheless, the face unlock feature is available on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro with a global stable update. So if you're rocking that phone, go ahead and check it out. Now another news is for Xiaomi. Xiaomi recently claimed that they sold 300,000 or 3 lakh units of the Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro in under 3 minutes on Flipkart and mi.com yesterday. At the same time, their Smart TV, which is a 55-inch TV priced at around 40,000 rupees in India, went out of stock in under 10 seconds. But that is not the news. The news is that the users who tried to book their phones or the Smart TV are not at all happy with the way Xiaomi is dealing with it, especially with Flipkart. Now, at this point of time, apart from the news, I would like to share my personal experience as well. I was trying to purchase the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the Redmi Note 5 and a Xiaomi TV, all the three of them. I ended up getting this baby here, the Redmi Note 5. I was not able to get my hands on the Note 5 Pro. I got it through a different medium, and Xiaomi TV, the moment I clicked on buy, the moment the sale went live, it went out of stock. So a lot of people have taken to Twitter to show their anger and stuff like that. If you tried to purchase the phone or TV, were you successful or not? Let me know in the comments section. Now another news is by Apple. A report by Bloomberg claimed that Apple is set to release 2 new versions of their AirPods. These are basically the wireless earphones, if you may, which are available by Apple, and the first generation was out somewhere last year. Now the latest version, which is going to come out in 2018, is supposed to have an upgraded wireless chip which will feature voice recognition. You would be able to summon Siri by saying "Hey Siri," and there is a new version which is supposed to come out next year which will carry all the functionality of this year. In addition, it will add water resistant. So are you excited about it? Do you use AirPods? Are you an Apple user? Let me know in the comment section. Now another news is from ARM. They have introduced a iSIM, which is basically an integrated SIM. This is 30 times smaller compared to a regular SIM card, and it can be embedded into a smartphone. Now what this means is you could be looking at a future device or future phones which will not require a SIM card, but there will be some kind of functionality. Now what this does is this basically combines your modem and SIM card, so that will be much more convenient. At the same time, this will allow the manufacturers to control billions of devices on one wavelength or through one particular medium, which will also mean that over-the-air updates will be much easier. So this is probably the future of a SIM card, and let's see how it goes. Now in another news today, Land Rover, yes, the car manufacturer, have announced a new smartphone. Yes, that sounds really a little different, but then again, that is the truth. Named as the Land Rover Explorer, they claim that this phone is as tough as a Land Rover Discovery. Now this phone comes with a drop protection of up to 1.8 meters, and talking about the hardware, now it comes with a Helio X27 chip, which is a deca-core chip and runs at 2.6 gigahertz, 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of internal storage and 4000 milliamp hour battery. Now this is going to be priced a little on the higher side. Considering the specs, it is priced at $760. What do you think about this price? Would you buy it if it were launched in India or not? Let me know in the comments section. Now in another news, Microsoft have launched their Surface products. That that's correct. The Surface laptops, if you may, in India, they are available at a price range from 62,000 to 183,000. There are about 5 different models, starting with the Core M3 chip, which is the base variant, and the top variant comes with a Core i7 processor. Now, another news comes from Huawei. Yes, that's correct. That's for the P20. Now, it's been a while since we've been hearing rumors that one of the P20 devices will come with a triple camera setup. This contradicts with what we have heard so far. Now, this picture has been showcased or leaked or whatever you want to call it by TINA, which is a certification agency. But then again, this picture comes with a dual camera setup. This is supposedly a Huawei P20. So there will be 3 phones, the P20, the P20 Lite and the P20 Plus. Now, one of them, will it come with a triple camera setup or not? It is still unclear, but this is what the Huawei P20 looks like. The last manufacturer that we are going to talk about is Asus, or Asus, however you want to pronounce it. They're going to come up with, or at least it is rumored that they might showcase the Zenfone 5 at Mobile World Congress. So guys, there are a lot of new announcements that are going to happen in the next few days, and it will be very, very exciting. So keep watching this news feed. It should come every day in the evening at 6 or between 6 to 7, and I will try to cover as much news as possible. At the same time, there will be other videos which usually keep coming on this channel. So if you've not already, please subscribe to this channel, please share the videos, and please like. And if you would like a chance to win the Xiaomi Redmi 5A, please look at the description box and all the information is mentioned there. Until next time, goodbye.